Whether or not MK Stalin becomes the next Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, only the voters of Tamil Nadu can decide. But for now, there is some trouble for Stalin beyond just seat share. It's an allegation of plagiarism, of being unoriginal, and for copy-pasting from somebody else's vision document. And the person making that accusation against him is Kamal Haasan. Well, right after the DMK chief released the DMK's vision document, Kamal Haasan said, hey, wait a minute, you've just copied stuff that I had in my document. Take a look at the full story. A massive show of strength, a sea of black and red, the Dravidian colors. As lakhs of people came together for a mega DMK rally in Trichy, MK Stalin launched his vision document. Stalin, who's waging a war to be the next Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, released a 10-year vision document on what he's offering the people of Tamil Nadu. And here are the highlights.
The DMK has now put out a vision document. Interestingly, it's a 10-year vision document that MK Stalin has announced. It has 1,000 rupees per month, which will be given to every homemaker, according to the DMK. Besides that, very ambitious target of 10 lakh jobs being created every year in the state of Tamil Nadu. They're also saying that there'll be a rise in per capita income to 4 lakh rupees. Besides that, the vision document mentions doubling of scholarships for SC and ST community candidates. Running water supply in every single village is another promise that's been made in this vision document. Besides that, they've also spoken about development in every village where internet connection will be available everywhere across the state. Concrete houses is something that the DMK is focused on, saying that they will build 9.75 lakh concrete houses and thereby ensure that slums are slowly gotten rid of. An issue that in fact has resonated a lot in Tamil Nadu is that of manual scavenging and the fact that it's still happening. MK Stalin has promised that this will be completely eliminated using technology. Doubling of healthcare staff is another big promise that's been made in this vision document. Let me highlight again that this is a 10-year vision document that the DMK released in Trichy.
The biggest talking point, 1,000 rupees for every homemaker.
தமிழ்நாட்டில் உள்ள குடும்ப தலைவிகள் அனைவருக்கும் மாதந்தோறும் 1000 ரூபாய் உரிமை தொகை வழங்க இருக்கிறோம். ரேஷன் கடைகளில் உணவுப் பொருட்களை பெறும் அனைத்து குடும்பங்களும் இதனால் பயனடையும்.
The DMK chief from the rally stage also lashed out at rival and incumbent Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy.
அதற்கு பின் பாஜகவின் அடிமையாகி சசிகலாவை ஏமாத்தி பழனிசாமியோட ஆட்சிக்கு எதிராக வாக்களிச்சவோ பன்னீர்செல்வத்தையே துணை முதலமைச்சர் பதவி கொடுத்து பெயருக்கு வச்சுக்கிட்டார் பழனிசாமி. இப்படி கடந்த 10 ஆண்டு காலத்துல தமிழகத்தை முழுமையாக நாசமாக்கிட்டாங்க. மொத்தமா ஊருக்குலைச்சிட்டாங்க.
But Stalin has come under attack over his ambitious vision document. Makkal Needhi Mayam chief and superstar Kamal Haasan has accused DMK chief of copying his vision document.
இல்லத்தரசிகளுக்கு ஊதியம் என்ற இந்த ஒரு கருத்து கோட்பாட்டை முன்வைத்த முதல் கட்சி நாங்கள் தான். நாங்கள் சொல்கிறோம் 50 லட்சம் பேருக்கு எங்கள் ஆட்சி காலத்தில் வேலை வாய்ப்புகள் என்கிறோம். அதையே அவர் தமிழில் மொழிபெயர்க்கிறார். அவர் தமிழில்.
So what's similar? Well, both parties have promised income for homemakers and also the big job promise. The DMK has promised 10 lakh jobs per year, the MNM 50 lakh jobs in 5 years. Will voters be able to make the difference, and will it matter at all when voting actually begins?
In a massive event at Trichy, attended by lakhs of carers, MK Stalin gives out a series of promises. Important ones are about increasing jobs, converting below poverty line into prosperity line, and of course, giving 1,000 rupees to homemakers to support them. However, Kamal Haasan now claims that these ideas, which allegedly has been stolen by the DMK leader, and DMK can only say that there is no iota of truth in it. With camera person Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.
Joining me now is C.K. Kumaravel, leader of Kamal Haasan's Makkal Needhi Mayam and a close person to Kamal Haasan himself. Mr. Kumaravel, you know, this allegation about Kamal saying that Stalin has been copying his ideas. Is it that specific that Stalin has just, plagiarized some ideas put forward by Kamal Hassan?
It is not an allegation. Actually, it is what is really happening. Right from the day we started the party, from the Gram Sabha, which was there for a long time, it's not been really put into use. Only after Kamal Hassan spoke about Gram Sabha, it became a talking point, and Stalin also followed. The way in which our conferences are conducted, the way in which the ramp is there, the way in which even photographs is done, everything is been copied. We don't have any problem in he copying, because imitation is the best flattery. So let them imitate what we are saying. But the point being, a party which has got 50 odd years of reputation is not connected with the people, so they don't understand their challenges or the problems, and they are rethinking based on their 50, 60 years old solution they are trying to provide for 2020, and that is nowhere relevant. That is where even whatever new we are saying, which is starting from the housewife, the assured income for the housewife, I think this is something which you go and ask a woman, she will say that, hey, financial independence is something which I am longing for. But unfortunately, their ears are not grounded. They are only looking at how much more money I can make, what kind of deals I can make, how I can give money and get my votes. That's what they are interested in. Makal Nidhi Mayam is very interested, our Nammavaar Kamal Hassan, our leader, is very interested to understand what is the real problem and how can we solve the problem. And that's why we are able to come out with a very good solution, what is needed in the market. And that's what we are all putting it together. We don't have any problem in they copying. Everybody knows the seed is sown by Nammavaar, but when it grows bigger and bigger, people will remember for years. We are better at an implementation stage also. One is coming out with a brilliant idea, another is the ability to put the idea to action. What we are really fearful, or what we really feel is, hey, they can copy our idea, but they won't be able to execute it. And that's where the rubber meets the road.
The DMK would say that the MNM is being, the young upstart. We know that Kamal Hassan has had a, very cordial relations with the DMK. He's quite often invited to their, to their ceremonies as well. He's an atheist, so that's also something that's there in common between the two. But the DMK on this particular issue, Mr. Kumaravel claims that there is no iota of truth in any of the claims that Kamal Hassan or you now are making on plagiarism.
I think proof of the pudding is in the eating. Entire Tamil Nadu people know why is this Gram Sabha became so popular in the last 3 years. We asked this question, who spoke about the housewife, the assured income for housewife the first time, and everything people know. I don't think we need to answer that. I think it is there in the print, it is there in the news. I think it's loud and clear. I don't think we need to answer that.
Okay, CK Kumaravel of Kamal Hassan's Makal Nidhi Mayam. Thank you very much for speaking to me here on 5 Live.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.